For a vector A is equal to j plus k cap, B is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 5k cap, C is equal to j minus k cap. The vector product A cross B cross C is. We seen what is vector triple product. Regarding the vector triple product, by considering these three vectors, which option is correct? Based on direction, different options are given. So to know about this, we should calculate this vector product, right? So let us copy this question to a plain board. So what is A cross B cross C? Right. So let us think about what is A cross B cross C first, right? So A cross B cross C expansion is right, that is A dot C into B, right? A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. This is the right hand side of this expansion, right? Alright. Now we can substitute these values here, right? See, A is equal to J plus, what is A dot C? J dot J1, K dot minus K dot minus 1. Then this part is 0, right? So we need not calculate this. Now A dot B, what is A dot B? A dot B is equal to, here no I cap component, here we have J dot J cap plus K cap only. So this cross product will be 1 into 3, 3, right? And 1 into minus 5, that is minus 5, alright, into C, right? So this is equal to 2C, alright? So 2C means it has the same direction of C, magnitude only different. So we can say in the direction of C, this is correct. In the direction opposite to C, no, here this is plus sign, it is the same direction of C, right? In the same direction of B, that is not true. In the direction opposite to B, that also not true. So this option is correct.